Hello everyone, this is Geomatics Hub. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download shapefile using the QuickOSM plugin on QGIS. So in quick and simple steps, I'm just going to show you how to do this. Maybe you're working on a project and you need to download some shapefiles. Let's say maybe roads, a different class of road, might be a trunk road, primary, secondary, even buildings, forest. We can get this data for free using the QuickOSM plugin on QGIS. So it will save you the stress of downloading satellite imageries and georeferencing, then start digitizing. Just follow through. First of all, we need an internet connection. We need an internet connection. Then we need this particular plugin here. I'm going to drop a link at the description where you can download this Type Plus plugin. We're going to be needing it. And also, I believe by now you should have your QuickOSM plugin installed also. If you've not done that, you can go through this process to do that. And just search QuickOSM. Look at it here. I've already installed the plugin. If you've not installed, you can just click it and install plugin here. Then also, I'm just going to click my Type Plus plugin, then on to OpenStreetMap and click OK and add. So it will appear on my layer panel like we have it here. Now you're going to navigate to the area you want to download the shapefiles for. But here I have a boundary already, so I'm just going to pass my boundary. I have it stored on my desktop. Sorry. Alright. I'm just going to zoom to layer. Okay. And let me just follow it so that I can see through what I'm working for. Simple outline. Let me use the red color. Let me give it a bit of width. There we go. So I'm going to be downloading shapefile that covers this that falls with this boundary. Now this is a location in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. So maybe I need to, let me start with the roads. So you just want to come here and click this search bar, which is the QuickOSM plugin. Now this dialog box will appear. So in this key here, I'm just going to select highway. Then under the value, what type of highway am I downloading for? Is it the motorway, the trunk, the primary, secondary, tertiary, classify, and the rest, whichever way you want. But if I want to download everything under highway, I can easily leave it blank. But here I prefer to download them in layers. So I just click the trunk. Then under this, I have a layer already. Now I want to download shapefile within that layer. So I'm just going to pick layer extent. But if you don't have a boundary you want to download for, you can easily just pick canvas extent. So it's going to download everything on your map canvas. But here I have a layer, so I'm just going to select my layer, highway, trunk. Then I pick my layer extent. Now I'm picking my layer extent here, so I'm just going to run query. Then wait for it to run. I think that is successfully added. And look at the it has added 2 layers, so you can just switch off your QuickOSM and see. Look at the layer here. Now, okay, let me do one more. Which other feature should we download for? Let's see. download for buildings. Okay, I'm just going to download all. Depends on the number of features in that layer. It's taking a while. Just wait for it to finish downloading. Alright, I think it's successful. Just click, look at it here. So all the buildings have been downloaded, so you don't have to go through the stress of manually digitizing. Now, okay, let me download one more under the highway. I can, okay, you know what, let me just download everything on the highway. Layer estate, then I run the query again. Okay. You see, here we have it. You see why I prefer to download them in layers, because it's classifying everything under highway. So most times I prefer to download in layers. I will download the primary row separately, the secondary row separately, the unclassified, the straight, and the rest. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just downloaded everything at once. Look at it here, you have it. Can you imagine the amount of stress this plugin has helped you to avoid? Look at it here. There you have it. So you can go on to save them. Let's say you are working on a particular straight guide map, for example. So you just have to maximize this plugin to save a lot of stress. Here we have it. Now let me put on my, okay, here we have it. Now look at this layer here. Now look at this particular icon in front. It means they are just crash layers. It means they are temporal layers. They are temporal layers. It means they are temporal layers. So I'm just going to, so if I close this particular job I'm working on now, it's going to this particular shapefiles I've downloaded I'm going to lose them. So I'm just going to save them and export them as a shapefile. Just go to right click on each of the layer, then export, then save feature as. Then just navigate to where I want to save them. Highway, save. Now don't forget to pick, you can download them as so many other extensions, but I'm just going to pick S3 shapefile. Then I'll set my coordinate system to WGS84 UTM zone 31, because that is where the project falls. I'm just going to say okay. You see, it's downloaded. So that means I can remove this. I don't need it again. This crash layer, I can remove it. So I can switch off other layers. So you do that for the remaining layers as much as you can. To remove this layer. So I think there's a glitch. Okay, let me save this particular one again. Export, save feature as. Then I'm going to replace it. Overwrite file. Yeah. Okay. Let me remove this crash layer. There you go. So that is that about that. I believe this tutorial has helped. In case you want to do the same, just follow through and you can do the same. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends that you think that it will be beneficial to. Thank you very much.